Okay, hey guys, I'm going to jump right in on some hair products that I'm going to use for my hair. I just finished my hair. So I am on the Bask and Lather journey with others. I've washed my hair, I've shampooed and conditioned it, deep conditioned it. So since I'm doing braids, I'm going to go to the scalp simulator, which is going to be this one. Use one on bad thin areas, entire massage. What is this for? Starting at the follicles, healthy hair growth, relieves dry scalp. Okay, so I'm almost certain I'm gonna have a little scalp irritation. Okay, so it say apply directly to the scalp. So I'm going to put it in some areas that are annoying me at the moment. Okay. Then it says massage in for 3 to 5 minutes. We don't have 3 to 5 minutes, but I'm gonna massage that while I'm talking. That's step 4. Then I'm gonna do the hydrating mist. Feels real good. Smells good too. This is the scalp simulator. In other words, it will be revealed as you proceed. I'm getting ready to offer a dangerous proposition that I don't reckon many of you all will accept. It's a dangerous proposition. Can you handle God? I did my own hair. I did not, I wanted it thin. I wanted it breezy. I wanted it light. So these are mini braids that I braided and I dipped, and I put some mousse on it. Okay, so I use this scalp simulator. Then it says go in